Eddie from Harlembling, what holds a lot of people back from buying silver jewelry is the fact that 925 silver as well as 999 silver oxidizes. Especially if you're not wearing your jewelry every day, after a few months, it develops a black patina. That's when oxygen molecules bind to the silver. We partnered up with the best company that brings the best silver cleaning products to the market. It's called Connoisseurs. They've been in business for 20 years. We're not making any money from these products. We just want to help you guys preserve your silver jewelry. We have two products. They're available on our website right now. These are silver cleaning cloths. Each box has 25 of them, and they cost a little over $6. And this is a cleaning liquid. You can use this to clean all of your jewelry, whether it has stones or if it's plain. I'm going to show you how simple it is to do it at home. There's a lot of methods out there, aluminum foil, toothbrush, toothpaste. That's all bullshit. So these are simple wipes. All you have to do is you take out one of these wipes, and if there's a piece that has a little bit of tarnish, you just go at it, and as you can see, it becomes much cleaner. It actually also polishes the pieces. So if it has small scratches, they go away. This is like magic. You see this black? This is the black that was on this piece. If you look at this bracelet, it's really not tarnished, but it has small scratches which make it appear dull. You wipe it down a few times and it looks like a mirror. Look at this. Really, this thing is amazing. Jewelers had these cloths for years, but they don't want to sell this to you because they'd rather you come to them and pay $100 to clean your jewelry. Ultrasonic machines make stones fall out. Be very careful with ultrasonic machines. These products are like magic. Look how dirty this moissanite Cuban chain is. Something like this was worn for months, years. This rope chain. This cloth is not going to be the best for it because even though it could clean the surface, and you see it's doing a good job, it really can't get inside and do all of the fine crevices. So for this, we have this product. All you guys got to do, open up this jar, put your jewelry inside, and let it chill there for maybe 10 seconds. And for an added bonus, you can even use one of these cloths just to give it that last buffer. And again, unlike the ultrasonic machine, stones won't fall out, and you can clearly see the difference. How it was on the side we cleaned it, and this side that was not cleaned. You can see this is the one that has not been cleaned yet, and this side has been cleaned. Really polish it, work it with this cloth, and it looks like brand new again. And as you guys can see, the rope chain is also perfect. Much cleaner than before. Again, I only did this on camera for a few seconds. If you guys really want to get in there and do it for longer, the chain will look like it's brand new. And for an $8 product, you now have brand new jewelry. We have this, link is down in the description below.